Ladies, Christmas is around the corner. I hope you know that this is time for you to guide your things very well. Your things, I mean, your own this. Make sure you guide it very well. Do not keep it anyhow, and do not trust anybody around you. Guide your own this, guide your pad, all those things, all those personal some things. In fact, learn how to guide it properly.
You
Do
can't go
not
give
trust
person.
anyone
You
about
can't go give person.
this young
Who
guy.
gets am?
Was called
My
trying to
sister.
sell her sister.
I take reach your hand. Which sister? Who be the sister?
Someone
Sample one. Open. You dey craze.
Still not finished.
Oh, good. They kill your father. You dey mad. If I tell you again,
stand.
wetin be your name?
Video.
Babon.
Eh?
Babon.
Backbone.
Babon.
Eh?
Babon.
Babo.
Babon. Babon.
Parobo.
I don't
Okay, wetin make you carry this thing now? Comot am. You say na your sister. Wetin make you carry am comot?
I
Where?
cannot say it in my pocket.
Oh, who you dey
I
mad?
go drop am before.
You dey mad?
That's
You say you wan go give person for us?
I will give my sister back.